Provides a centralized view of all information about an individual tenant. You can find the tenant's profile using the search bar at the top of your screen, or selecting tenants from the toolbar and selecting a tenant from the list. In the tenant's profile, the left side will contain information on the tenant, and the right side will contain information on the unit the tenant is in. If a tenant is in multiple units or has previously moved out of a unit, that will be displayed on the left side under Rentals. You can also see things like notes, alternate contacts, and payment types as well. On the right side towards the bottom. This will help keep track of the tenant's invoices and receipts. There are also several other tabs available. Documents will contain things such as lease agreements and addendums. Add-ons will have things like content coverage, fees and services, merchandise, and discount plans. Lease preferences, specific communication and automation settings. Other will have vehicle details and any additional documents relating to the tenant. You can take a payment with the Pay Now button at the top of the screen near the balance, and waive a fee using the Waive Fee button. The menu will also contain several additional options. Creating invoices will allow you to bill your tenant. Transfers will allow you to move the tenant into a new space from the current one. Applying discounts will provide the tenant with a credit towards their balance. Late lien fees allows you to either apply a fee or waive an existing one. Deny access allows you to lock out any integrated access control system. Overlock marks the unit as overlocked for past due tenants. The move out option is to move a tenant out of the unit after they're done. And deleting the lease fully removes any payment or history associated with this unit and tenant. So typically that's something we like to avoid on the average case. And that's it. If you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.